OpenE provides high reliability, high availability, high independence, high scalability, and high-performance enterprise data storage software, engineered to address the most critical challenges, meet the highest business demands, and significantly simplify the operation of your data storage infrastructure. OpenE Jovian DSS on- and off-site data protection is a cost-effective and versatile solution that combines advanced data storage software and advanced backup features in one simple-to-use platform. Your data is stored and protected in many places simultaneously. First, it is frequently backed up directly on the OpenE Jovian DSS production server. Backups can be taken as often as every 5 minutes, and thanks to advanced scheduling and retention settings, which can be stored for even years while maintaining a reasonable utilization of storage space. You can also set up another OpenE Jovian DSS machine as a local backup server to which backups from the production server will be sent. Schedule and retention rules for backups stored on this local backup server can be set up independently from the production server. For example, new backups are added less frequently but can be stored 10 times longer than on the production server. This local backups environment is called the on-site data protection. But since the data can be sent through a public network, being first encrypted, of course, nothing stops you from setting up another OpenE Jovian DSS backup server in another building, city, or even country. This is what we call the off-site data protection. It ensures data protection even when all local servers are completely unavailable. For example, to prevent data loss in the case of fire or theft, you can restore your backups from the remote server. You may now ask yourself, how is this better than a typical run-of-the-mill solution? Imagine a virtual desktop infrastructure with hundreds of virtual machines using OpenE Jovian DSS as a data storage backend. All these machines are regularly backed up to a local backup server. Now, imagine a serious malfunction that causes the production server to lose all its data. With a typical backup solution, you would have to wait possibly for hours or even days until the data is restored to the production server and operations can resume. With OpenE Jovian DSS on- and off-site data protection, downtime is reduced to minutes. Because the remote backup server also runs on OpenE Jovian DSS, a state-of-the-art data storage operating system, it can temporarily take over as a production server, while simultaneously restoring the data back to the main production server on site. Data safety is a fundamental part of a well-developed business continuity plan. Other companies offer solutions with limited possibilities that require complex infrastructures with multiple third parties involved. For more information, please visit the OpenE website.